New map! Shipyard! Oh yeah! Triple threat, we got the new map. We got one! We got one! Shipyard! Yes! Okay, let's search the map. Whoa! This is actually a cool place. I could just, yeah. Yeah, let's go on the ship. Yeah! 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 Oh, I got some speedboats there. Why? Why? The question is why? Oh, the ladder is broken? Huh? Huh? Hmm. Suspicions. Okay. Let's go towards the side. It's nothing. It's just a big old nothing. A place full of nothing. Oh, this is the bridge. Okay. Barbecue. What is this? Trendsetters. Coastal Shipping Company. Oh, this one's hidden inside. Cannot see that one. There's the logo on the back. Tornado Alley! Okay, let's go. Triple threat, huh? Ew! Little mini sticks. As if they want to stick on the barbecue sauce. And here's the barbecue sauce. It's really damn red. Doesn't say anything. Oh well, let's check in this warehouse. There's nothing on this warehouse. Oh, there's a crate inside it. Oh, there's some logs and stuff. 1D shipyard. Seashore shelves. Oh, that's quite a alliteration. 1D yard. Oh, there's nothing inside here, but I think that's like a guard area. Yeah, so it's just this. These are all the brands, huh? Or maybe there's one secret brand that I haven't seen. 1A yard. This is the 1A section. Oh no. It's going to destroy the crane. But I won't let you do that. I won't let you do that. No! Dang it, you have to. Oh, you destroyed the yellow trait. The one that I was talking about. Asking. It's quite annoying. Okay. Let's not go there. Let's go here. Oh, is this some sort of... Oh, it's like a checkpoint. No! It's the same stupid EF2. Gosh, man. Can you stop? It's on the sea. Beautiful. Oh, I didn't know this has structures. As you can see, we got beams. Beams are good supports. Of course they are. Like in Destroy a Bridge, the game. Oh, there's a shelter. I mean, you can use the shelter finder. There's no point. Just need a shelter key, that's it. I have nothing on my inventory. And it's finished. Alright, let's go to the next one because I survived this one. Oh, what in the world is this? Let's go towards this brighter cylinder. Yes. So we're choosing Starlight Forest. Is in one of the new maps, which is the last mode for today. So yes, Starlight Forest is the map. Let's see the map. Oh, let's see it. Oh, what is it gonna be? Oh! What is this map? It looks like I'm playing another game or something. Looks like I'm playing a, what do you call? I don't know. It's like I don't. Time bomb terrible. It's gonna destroy the islands. What is this? What is this? Oh my gosh. If I can move. Oh, there's a big island right there. I'm gonna jump on it. Oh wow, there's quite a bit of fireflies. Shoot! Oh, we got some purple fireflies. Orange. Oh, nice. Oh, there's another one here. Believe that we can jump on this. No, we can't. Shame. Hold on. What's my graphic? I see a shelter key. I see a shelter key. Oh, I see a shelter key. Yeah. Where's the shelter? Ah, yeah. Ah, right there. Wait, let me just turn on the graphics. Where's the graphics? Oh, where's the graphics? No, where's the graphics? Graphics mode. Um, Manual. I believe it's under here. Nice. Oh, gosh. Oh man, I'm not staying there. Oh, oh, what in the world? Oh, this poor house. Oh, oh, I'm not staying here. Oh, this is actually pretty laggy. Oh, oh, the plates are falling. Oh, oh, look at that. Oh, oh, the bomb. Oh, 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 the the house. Oh, the house. The well. Oh, dwelling. If I would say that. There's a bomb there. Okay. Oh, there's a what do you call a castle. Okay, let's jump on the castle, shall we? The lag is unbearable. Oh wow, look at how big this thing is. Man, it's enough to fit in a movie. No, it's mine. 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 Shh, no! Camera. I want to destroy this map so badly. There we go. Oh my god, look at the ruins, bro. Oh! Oh man, that was a bomb like over there? Man. Yo, just look at the damage. Okay, let's see. After this, let's just see the damage that being created, and let's see how much does it cost. Imagine if it costs like 2 billion. Wait a minute. Is the water blood? It's blood. It's blood. Ah, dang. I'm swimming in blood. Which is gonna be red and blue. Starlight Forest. We call it Starlight Forest. Let's it's red. 4 million. Okay, thanks for watching. Like, subscribe, and share. You son of a bat! You